MRI for maybe 40 or 1 hour. Okay, so we're going. I'll try not to schedule everything, ma'am. Okay, but there are some facility that they do not schedule. They do not perform everything, but I'll try. Okay, to schedule. Okay, hold on. So let me just ask you, ma'am. So we're going to schedule your mammogram if it's already you are already due. Okay, hold on. Let me try to confirm to. Hold on. Let me confirm if when was your last mammogram. Okay. You should. Maybe this is an old order, ma'am. When was your last mammogram? Oh, what we have here. Okay, the last mammogram that you had was last hold on, 2021. Mhm. So it was performed to a different facility. Hold on, let me just check. In Loma Vista. Okay, it was not acquired before the Loma Vista, so the one we have already for 2021. So the recommendation of the radiologist based on your previous mammogram is just a routine mammogram. Okay, so hold on. Then we also have abdomen complete. Ultrasound abdomen complete, ma'am. Okay, hold on. Let me just try to give you some heads up, okay, ma'am. Okay. It would take us, maybe 30 minutes to schedule your exam. Okay. So I just want to give you heads up. The recent referral that we received is for, hold on, diagnostic screening mammogram. I'm sorry, MRI cervical spine. Okay. MRI cervical spine. And this is with and without contrast. Okay. We just received this February 13th. Okay. And then next is another one, February 13th, for an MRI for the brain with and without contrast. Mm, mm, this is the- mm.